चलो ready
Okay,
Tanya,
let's
excitement
start,
on your face
Yeah.
मतलब I'm not the heartbroken one I'm the sad one
Karan is
because I've
happy
told
in this.
yeah because मैंने
हाँ मतलब that's a good thing because Naitik was such a good boy.
16 years old इंडिया में कहीं भी खड़े हो जाओ दुनिया में भी खड़े हो जाओ so people recognize
Yeah. Hello and welcome. You're watching India.com Z Media and this is Tanya Garg. And well, in conversation today we have with us Karan Mehra and Preet. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
First of all, big congratulations on the song Saaf Pata Chalta.
Thank you
So I want to know from both of you, first of all, like what is the feeling like? What is the mood like? You know, sequel hai, there's love, there's so much happening. So Karan, what's the feeling? What's the mood like for you?
well with every song of course expectation एक होती है
Right.
the end product when it comes out
Yeah.
तो एक वही उम्मीद होती है कि लोगों को बस अच्छा लगे we had a lot of fun shooting it
Yeah,
a couple of months ago and it's a song शीशा song series actually
Yeah.
3 गानों का एक सीरीज चलेगा
Right.
कहानी उस तरह से लोगों तक पहुंचाई जाएगी the first song came in 10 days ago आज साफ पता चलता है has released
Yeah.
and I hope people like it and love it and जैसे बाकी चीज़ों को और काम को सराहते हैं इसको भी सराएं
But let me tell you, there's just a lot of love coming. I've already seen and people are really enjoying it. Pehle wo, they were rooting for your and Sharad's
Yeah.
chemistry and now they're rooting for Karan and your
Actually,
chemistry.
Initially, it was when Izhar-e Mohabbat came, so it was like hashtag Adit ki Zara.
Haan.
Now it's like, you know, Adit ki Zara, it was trending,
Right.
and now it's like, you know, Karan and Preet and Karan, you know, and Zara ki, Karan ki Zara, something like, it's coming.
अच्छा मेरा
I have
नाम करण ही
seen-
है ना इसमें
Karan hi, yeah, they are, yeah, people are mentioning. So the kind of love we are getting, it's so, I mean, you know, we don't have words to express because
Right.
when people love you. Yeah.
So what was that thing that clicked for both of you? Like what was it for you, Karan, that you wanted to be a part of this, you know, album, and what was it for you?
I think I've always been on Rohit's mind because channel had started with me.
Right.
So I did the first song Rohidari with them, which has done very well, touchwood. मतलब I'm not the heartbroken one, I'm the sad one.
Yeah. Karan is
Because I've
happy
told-
in this.
Yeah, because मैंने रोहित को बोला यार मैं कब तक ऐसे sad वाले करता हूँ थोड़े happy वाले भी कर लेते हैं यार.
Yeah.
तो फिर ये happy वाला मुझे
खुश
जो
होने
मिला.
का हक है नो Karan
This
को
time
खुश
On
होने
screen
का
भी
Yeah,
है,
so this time we have Sharad who's crying and you know, he does all that heartbreaking thing and whatever. So now I've planned to do some good happy songs. So again with her, so this is a nice romantic song for me. And हम लोग happy space में एक है.
I can see that. Look at the energy that he has. Like he's so happy. Like,
No, but I'm also very excited because not only this song is coming out, so the response that we get for this series, and it has come very close to my own song that is coming out on the second now,
Okay.
called Surma, where I'm
Yeah.
debuting as a singer. So I think मेरे लिए बड़ा वो पास ये दोनों चीजें होंगी. So I'm like इधर भाग रहे हैं कभी इन interviews के लिए. फिर ये जब हो जाएगा फिर I'll go for that to Bombay. So I'm very excited. So
Right.
I am just waiting for you know the fans to shower their love and just enjoy the songs.
all the best for that.
Thank you, thank you.
What about you?
Yeah, I would say कि last year I did one song called Dhoka with Terence Lewis again with this Rangreza films only. So what happened now when I have shared my experience, you know, when we were doing interviews for Dhoka, so you know lot of people asked me, you know, lot of people told me, I would say लड़कियां ही धोखा देती हैं, you know, if
हाँ,
you have
हाँ,
seen that
right.
song लड़कियां ही धोखा देती हैं. Every single interviewer asked me this question, लड़कियां ही धोखा देती हैं. And you know, one day I was just sitting like that, and you know, I had a conversation with Rohit, who's the producer of Rangreza Films. So I just shared this thing because he was asking what has happened on your promotion thing, and there's a normal conversation was happening. So I was like, यार ये एक चीज थी जो ना बार बार आ रही थी.
हाँ.
And then he didn't say anything. Okay, let me work on this. He just said let me work on this. And then उसके कुछ महीने बाद, I guess 2-3-4 महीने के बाद में, and he said now we have something.
Also, you know, इस गाने में betrayal है. There's betrayal, there's love. तो while you were shooting कभी ऐसा हुआ, you know, बिल्कुल जो आज मैटर नहीं करता, बट यू रिकॉल्ड कोई कभी स्कूल का हार्ट ब्रेक या कुछ भी ऐसा, सम मेमोरी, यू लाइक ओ यार समथिंग लाइक दैट हैपेंड. आज वो मैटर नहीं करता, बट समथिंग ऑन दोज लाइंस व्हाइल यू वर शूटिंग, डिड यू रिकॉल?
No, nothing for me because this was a happy song for me. So I didn't have to recall. all
But
that
something
stuff.
about love.
Even I didn't have to recall anything because you know I was very much happy with Sharad, and then in another song I'm very much happy with Karan.
इसके तो मजे हैं.
I'm not even crying, I'm not sad, that. So
she was having fun time. वही Maggie वाला situation चल रहा है, अब Karan आ रहा है.
I was so enjoying only. See क्या हो रहा था कि 5 मिनट पहले 5 मिनट सेम जगह पे शूट हुआ है because flashback में शरद को flashbacks आ रहे हैं. Though I'm sitting with Karan, so what was happening कि ठीक है एक shot में Karan ने मेरे को मैगी खिलाई. अभी now he's making me momos.
She was having best of two worlds.
अरे बड़ा मजा आ रहा था. Like आप snow पे बैठे हो और both the actors are coming and making you feel like it was so fun.
We had a lot of fun shooting it.
We had a lot of fun, yeah.
But as actors also, we've been doing stuff for a very long time. But as a situation से बात नहीं, I think we are trained to just kind of be the character.
There, yeah.
So that's how it comes very naturally now. After 22 years, for me, तो it comes like that.
Yeah.
बोलो ये situation करनी है तो मैं खड़े हो जाता हूँ उसके.
Right.
But of course, we were all friends. I know Sharad for a very long time. We know each other for almost 20 years. Because we were in the same acting school also. But काम करने का मौका पहली बार अब
मिल रहा है, हाँ.
She's been my fan.
Yeah, actually, since
a friend for long.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my God, yes.
And,
finally we work together.
Finally we work together, with this साफ पता चलता है.
तो अब ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है मेंशन कर दिया और मैं तो I will have to ask you for your fans, for me also.
Yeah.
So even I think it's been more than 7-8 years. So long, but लोग फिर भी आपको नैतिक से they resemble you, they recall you as नैतिक only.
तो थोड़ा वैसे अभी भी लग रहा हूँ ना तो ठीक है.
हाँ मतलब that's a good thing because नैतिक was such a good boy.
16 years ago.
So I want to know like अब आज whenever you do new projects ये song है, do you take that as a blessing or a bane कि लोग आज भी वैसे ही recall करते हैं तो if you're ready for a negative role in that sense, do you think people will accept you कि like bad boy play?
They should. I would love to play negative. I've been waiting to play negative for so long. But I did it in the songs also.
Yeah, but like out and out.
ये Kachiya Kachiya was a very negative because I played a drug addict. I kidnapped a child also. And it was fun to play that. So when it is a challenge for an actor, you love doing it because of course it's a blessing that I've done the longest thing for the longest time, created history, 2100 episodes. Because of the digital age today, still people watch it. So very blessed. और ऐसा भी मौका बहुत कम लोगों को मिलता है कि आप कहीं भी चले जाओ, इंडिया में कहीं भी खड़े हो जाओ, दुनिया में भी खड़े हो जाओ. So people recognize me. And मतलब जैसे अभी I had gone to Dubai last year for the other song that is coming out. So वहाँ पे भी people knew me. चाहे वो दुबई वाले हो, नेपाल से हो, बांग्लादेश से हो, everybody knew. So it's a blessing, of course. And we need to cherish it. As an actor, I am very happy about that fact. But yes, it's just nice that people recognize me like that. It's another name for me. आज भी कहीं भी चले हो तो पहली बात ही आती है. I just went to the washroom right now. The people, there are 2 guys from your team only. They're ready to click pictures there. Nothing अभी हम आपके साथ फोटो मैं भैया बाथरूम के बाहर. So this happens and it's nice. And that follows on to your work. Everything else you do, you get recognized with that. And that is nice. And आज भी वो छाप तो चल रही है, but I would love to experiment with things, and that's what I keep doing with my songs. Somewhere I played negative. I played a goon also. For Mulaqatein, I was playing a gunda. And अच्छा है.
But I think it will be exciting and very surprising to see you in that negative, out and out negative role.
People who are listening, please give me negative roles too. I can do very well with that.
Right. Also I have to ask you, usually it's believed in the industry कि लोग बहुत selfish होते हैं, right? But then there are times like वही same लोग, they come through for you, especially during particular phase of your life. So क्या इस सब को लेके कि अपना काम से लेकर आपका जो प्यार है वो बढ़ जाता है इंडस्ट्री के लिए एंड योर पैशन फॉर द वर्क, क्या with that kind of thing does it only increase? Like what happens then?
Support from the industry happens whenever you work on something. I think one-on-one एक जो आपकी understanding है with friends. So usually when I do songs or if I put it, I have, touchwood, I have always had more than 100 people sharing it. Because that's what I do for them, that's what they do for me. So one-on-one, the rapport that I have with people has been very nice. And that's the way I like it. Chahe, and mostly I have a lot of girls who are friends of mine. So they have been very supportive. And मतलब ऐसे give and take ही चलता है. And then when they come through for you, that's what you want.
You do it for them.
So how we worked, or the experience that we have had working together. Not even working before that also, the kind of rapport that we had was as friends. And काम भी कर लिया, उसको पता है कि मैं भी काम कैसे करता हूँ. So that's what every person that I have worked with, or any lady that I've worked with throughout this long career of mine has been very nice and beautiful. And I think अभी एक interview में यही बात कर रहे थे. So the respect that we have for like I have for friends and they have for me, that matters to me a lot. So कम ही लोग खड़े होते हैं आजकल, तो सबके पास टाइम ही नहीं है. And but I try my best to do as much as I can.
But I see often कि आपका you're having this reunion with your cast of ये रिश्ता, and I think that's very sweet.
अभी I met because Sonali was here after I met her almost after a decade, because she is in the US now.
Yeah.
So then we caught up for dinner, and we then there was another reunion where there were like just 7-8 girls and me.
Right.
So होता रहता है, तो हम लोग मिलते रहते हैं because everybody is complaining तू दिखता नहीं है कहाँ है, because I was shooting for the show. But it's nice to get back and share those moments again with fans.
Right. So to both of you, before we move on, I want to know कि what's happening currently, like after the song, what's next for both of you?
You would say? I would say.
कहले इसकी लंबी लिस्ट है. अभी ये बॉलीवुड से फिर बॉलीवुड जा रही है, फिर टॉलीवुड जा रही है, तो उसके बाद टाइम नहीं है. पहले बता.
Yeah, I mean ये series तो like the series it's तो happening, second song has already come, तीसरा भी आ जाएगा आने वाले दिनों में. Apart from that, like yeah, South का I would say it's gonna be a debut for me. South debut, like doing with the Telugu film, which is gonna start from the very first week of September.
Okay.
So yeah, so I'm very much excited. More than that, very much nervous because of the language, because I don't know that.
1, 2, 3,
Though I'm practicing, I'm practicing. I'm working hard on that. I'm enjoying that process. And apart from that, there's one more Hindi project which I'm doing, and which is about to happen from October onwards.
Oh, there's a lot happening for you.
Yeah.
Anyway, she's so busy. So I'm taking a chill pill. I just finished another show. Mehndi Wala Ghar, which was on Sony, doing very well, the #1 show. Unfortunately, it had to go off air because of making way for KBC. So whatever.
But the show was nice.
Show was very beautiful.
very
We had a lovely
beautiful.
cast. Had a ball shooting it.
Yeah.
But then, of course, preparing now for Saaf Pata Chalta, the next song that will come, and then very excited for my singer debut. So, मतलब मैं उसके लिए preparation करने में भी time off लिया है. And then I get back to again working a show or something good, or start my singing journey. I don't know.
Right, but also like, what is the most taxing part about being in a TV? Like, you know.
Oh, the time that they consume of yours is amazing. You don't have a life. 12 hours of shoot.
Yeah.
1-2 घंटा उससे पहले, 1-2 घंटा उसके बाद, तो आदमी के पास बचते ही नहीं है कुछ दिन. So during Rishta, I don't remember sleeping for more than 5 hours. I remember doing Nach and Rishta together. I used to sleep for 2 hours, and I did that for 5 months. Had a toll on my health. Then I decided कि भैया बस हो गया, अभी नहीं हो पाएगा अपने से. So yeah, the time that they take, the energy that it takes, it's a lot.
Yeah.
And with time also, आपकी भी energy affect होती है. You can't do a lot of stuff that you could do 10 years ago, but then you start with that zest every day that नहीं आज मेरे को ये perform करना है, वो करना है. And situations तो बहुत अलग-अलग होती हैं. Conditions are hard. No matter what, you're feeling sick, you're not okay.
You have to be there.
You have to be there. No matter what the emergency is. There is no time to get even sick. I never had time to get sick. So it's like that.
Yeah. Right. Well, with that, on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Once again, all the very best for your song.
Thank you so
Really
much.
looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.